Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on this YouTube channel. So as you can see, I have my shader editor open here and here is my viewport. And if I go to render view, you can see one problem here which you have seen on thumbnail also. Our backdrop has a gray color and it is reflecting on our bottle. Due to that, our bottle looks very weird and it creates a problem. So how we can solve this? It is very easy. As you can see guys, we have a basic material on a soda can and it is very low in roughness. It has 0.150 roughness and we have one value of coat also. So it is very shiny and we have to select our backdrop and in shader editor, as you can see, it has the basic principle BHDF. I press Shift A and then search mix shader and place it between principal BHDF and material output. And then I search for transparent BHDF. Alright, and here you can see we have a factor value. If this factor value close to 0, our principal BHDF will work, and if this value close to 1, our transparent BHDF 1, which will make our backdrop fully transparent. Alright, as you can see, our can is looking totally white due to this backdrop reflection. If I press this eye icon to hide the backdrop, you can see now there is no reflection of backdrop or anything. Our bottle looks good, and when we unhide our backdrop, we are getting the same white reflections problem. So what we have to do, we have to add one more node which is called light path node. We will press Shift A and search for light path and place it here. As you can see, light path node has many outputs. So what we will do, we will grab this is a reflection ray and connect it to factor. What light path node do, that it will check is there any reflection. If the answer is yes, then make it transparent. So our reflection is become totally transparent. And now if we hide or unhide our backdrop, there is no changes in the reflection. As you can see, there is no reflection. You can see from any angle. On top of can, you can see some reflections because we have a different material on top of can. As you can see, it is called steel material. So what we'll do, we will go to edit mode, press A to select all, and our can material is selected. We just assign that material. So now you can see our problem has been solved. You just have to add these 3 nodes before your backdrop texture to solve this problem. Alright, as you can see, this black reflection on my can, it is because of I use an HDRI. So friends, don't forget to like, share or subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Your like and your subscription motivate me to create more and more helpful video for you guys. Till then, goodbye and see you in the next video.